Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on finding your Roblox user ID on your phone. Let's start! Although there is no direct way to find it within the Roblox app, I'll share some tricks. First, you have to open your browser and search for Roblox. Then log in and save your username and password in your browser's password manager. Alternatively, if you're using an iOS device, access your password manager through your settings. Search for Roblox and you'll find user ID. By following the steps, you can easily retrieve your Roblox user ID and password if you've forgotten them. That's it! Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.